Guys, so welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be doing an engine start of my Phoenix Models Boomerang 60, as you can see down here. So it's all fueled up and ready to go, so now we'll go and start the engine. Alright, so now I'll put the glow plug on and we'll see if it starts. So this hasn't been run in a few months, so hopefully it goes. So we'll put the glow plug into position and we'll flick it a few times. Second try. The engine was running in reverse then, so I think this will throttle when it goes the other way. So we'll take the glow plug off and we'll do a quick rev test for you. Alright guys, so now we're going to be doing a full power rev test for you, so you can hear how well it revs. So let's go. So you can hear this motor revs up really high and it produces a lot of power in twice. It's a really good one. Alright guys, so as you can see, the motor in this Boomerang runs really well and it goes very smooth as well. So I'll leave a link in the description so you can get this plane and the motor for it, and I'll see you in the next one.